Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kakinhon ruai ya kabala tip kum ka da aroha choir hagakat waiter ku jemang arjar arpusau kala pelat pat ba ya ka jing ruai ya kabala ai kerteng menrati haswa ban pelat pat ba ya gani ka jing ruai kala don shwa ka jing elang ka balingkot hapo ka jing penya jong ka samla kiara masar kabade ka khot nong ruai jong ka kinhon haringkat ka jing don lang inong hikai jong ka kinhon ikong Pauline Warjeri nang ta ba PBO Warjeri Chief Secretary Barim jong ka sarkar jilla ba Ferdinand Kharbuli ubade nong tho ye ka jingruai ki de khot jong ka kinhon bat ki kinrem ki lindan haba kren hagani ka sngi nakalyang unong tho jong ka jingruai uba Ferdinand ulaong ba umpoi perkhat ba ka jingruai ka ba ula tho kan kta yu hado kata kamtam ka bade ka jingruai ka ba ula tho shaphang ikme jong u ibala klat la jan henreus nem tam bat kabala penlong yu ban jer kerteng ye ke jingruai min rati kabamut kapor balalej ye gani ke jingruai la penwan sur da ka kong Pauline Warjeri bala penbit penbiang do ba kamki ding do jong ka state of mind production bala direct da ka samla Jesse Lingdo bala record do samla meba bhabok lang marbanyang nalor kini baro unong put bisli ba pau ke jela uba Benedict Henyo taru ula senyang lang hagani ke jingruai daga ba put ye ke bisli
ngayang hang ni kum kadak ka jing sngau it sngau kmen ye pi wei kham tam e ngasngau ban ai ngu ning kong e yu blei nong bu nong thau ublari la sumar yangi nadu hakini kisni bat hadu kani ka klip mat ka bamenta ka bangin la banyalum lang kumne krui kum sieng sisem ka ngasungu sikat de ya imes Pauline inong yelam inong betin nanti jong ka kenhun aroha kwaya bat kayeng kasem jong ihi borok kawai kumjuru yakini ki kena samla shenrang bat kentai kibla pen i yaki sap ring ba ki sur jingruai jingtem kiba maki haba ki ruai ngampoi perkat ba ka jingruai kanong kabab teng ngasngau kapen ken mau kapen so kriat du teng kapen kan mau kam tam ya image ngi namba mala tho la thau ye ni jing wai halor image ibla khlano menta la henrius nem la jan henrius nem kenti tikani jing wai ka bangla tho bat ai kerteng kamin rati kadi ka kentien ngasngusion bat ngalayo nakawai kakot kenshow kentien ka bagi ong kakasi English dictionary balatho da father months e bars but nakawai ka dictionary kadian chonhi jong irreverent ai khar kongor tikani ka kentien ngalas ngotion bat ngalas ngo kwa ban ai kerteng yakni ka jingwai namar kaya hap bat kata ka por mo kabadai menrati kamut halo kapor kabalalet kumjuru kapor kabalalet angni kamut kapor kasamoy kabalalet dei kajinglet no jong imejungi nangni nasla perthai ti hakapor ba idang don hasla perthai le si ngimdas ngothu ya kapor jong kakmi inda ilalet no nagani ka slapar thai ngisno thu ba ya ka jing koridor jong ka kami bun ki ba imejungi ila jule ila jupen i ngim snotu atau por ka ba idang don andai lalet kitu kimati kinishan kidak kishin kiba mai ile hangai kiwan pasiau jan man ka por man ka klimat hadu ka pelong yang bangan tho dak ka jingwai kum umat bu nam na ka benta ka kerteng ka ba ini aisa ken mau pateng la pakit na ka benta imejungi tikeni ka jingwai ngla tho ru halor ka jing long bakensai jong ka kemi le sim ni tanga kemi jong jong kanu kolong kemi bat jong ni barok lang ki badon ya ka kemi ka kedup ka ba piam ka ba hikai ka ba betin lenti ya ka jing im jongi kum ki khun ibapen kersoi ke jing i na kerempeying bat ban hikai ban pen i ya kinuksa ha ka bedei bat ka jing ya lenti ha ka ni ka slapar thei tikini ke jing ruai ka kren ya kita hi bat kumjuru ngamla ban klet ya i pa jungi i barang don bat ngi hadu menta mene ha ka jing long temen le singim la ban wanyalam i namar kidau ka jing long temen ki khmat im da shai ba ka skor im le snow than shu ti ma i ru idon bentalang ban yatei ya kayeng kasem bat yangi kum ki khun ki bang yadon laingut sipara te ngasngo ba kini ki jingle jong ki kimi ki pa ni kum ki khun ni dei ban don ka jing burom ka jing nyokor ya yala ki jong ki kimi ki pa te let's say kini ka jing ruai ka bangala tharu ngala penan kam yaki tin tenrai kasih paka nela kum kadang ban senyang ya kita kiktian kibale se kilas dang ban ja no te ngakwa ban penim ya kita kiktian kiba kani kejuk jongi menta larangi keren ya kiktian ya kani kiktian kasih jongi let's say kelami kaju si kaju kektian kabang ikren man kasngi lahai yang asam hajaka trei jakarta lahaki srok kilinti kisingkian hakinu ginu gi benta jong ka imlang salang kektian tenrai let's say imbakan du kandam no kini kektian paka mo ki bangaong tekum si benta ban senyang ya kajing roy jong kektian teng laile kat bala ban penan kam ya kiktian tenrai ha kani ka jingruai ya si amdi tangani ka jingruai ka bangala tho kidon kiwe ki jingruai ru henrei ka banga snok kemen kade ya i Miss Pauline i bala pen bit pen biang ya ki sur jingruai ki sur jing tem jing put ki ba ngamla ban mudur ba kan long ka jingruai ka ba sngotenat mo te nganget ini jing senyang jonga kum unong tho ya kani ka jingruai kanang ai men siem ya kiwe ki long yeng long sem ki badang don imei pa wat ya kito ki bam don shu imei paru ya si kanang ai men siem kan hikai yang iwe piwe kumno bangin ken kor ialah ijong ialah gijong kikime kikpa tiang ngamdon sibun kentien bangan ai de si tang kita hi ki kentien ki ba tang ban sio banya don bentalam khamtam kat kani kasmi ka bakraw mo haba i mespolin bat ka kenhon kin saplat ya kani ka jingrwai tiang ngai bat ngakermen ba penya snotenat bat penya yo ya sibun kijing hikai om tangkan ke jingwai si kinu jingwai ki ba ye dei bat ki kimi ki pa ki bala thau da ki nong thau jingwai ba per ha kani ke imlang kasalang ke jongi te ngam don kentin issue banong khublesia jarnu mis bat ka kenhon jongpi bat ki parlok ki bedon dam hangni baro
ngan kran da kaktin pareng nomar baki bun hagani ka hol kibam snguthu I kaktin ka jungi te lara phim ngoi ngan chukran da kaktin pareng mo. I am so glad that we all gathered here together. It's kind of formal and informal at the same time because this is the first release of something that we've done in a more serious vein. I'm very grateful to Ba Ferdinand for writing the song because when I first heard it, I couldn't understand many of the words. So if there is such a term as Shakespearean Kasi, that would be it. And what he has done is try to resurrect words we've never used, the rich literary terms that we've hardly come to know. We only read about these in school. He's tried to bring that back. And I remember in 2001, I think, Kasi was one of the languages that UNESCO had warned against extinction. In the sense there were not many people who use it well enough. And I see that with the rise of the internet, we are in great danger of that. So I began writing songs again in my own language, and I used scripture. Because scripture, I think there is no higher translation or, a higher usage of literary terms than the Bible. So that's what I did. And when I saw what Ba Ferdinand had written, I was very excited. The family asked if I could set the words to music. And it's a very touching testimony to the love of a mother. And to add a little bit to the background, my own aunt, who knows their family, had told me stories of their grandmother, who was quite legendary in how she brought up her children with very little to begin with, and how she provided for all of them. So she's a bit of a legend where they live. So this song is about how Ba Ferdinand's mum looked after them, and how God paved the way for her to look after 3 beautiful souls. So you will hear that in the music, and you will see scenes of their own house. And of course we've enacted a little bit. One of the siblings has taken on the role of the mother. So as you listen, I hope that you will say a prayer for your own mum if she's still alive, or remember your mum if she's no longer with you. So thank you very much, and I do hope you enjoy the video.